Hello, this is Dr. Nuke, and right now I'm going to be talking with you about advanced rocket propulsion. There has been work done, even going back into the 1960s, on nuclear rockets using fission power, that is, splitting atoms. But now there's, in addition to fission work being done for rocketry, there's a company called Pulsar Fusion in the UK that is working or has plans for a fusion rocket. That could open up the whole solar system to human exploration and even settlement, even out to as far as Pluto and Neptune. Maybe if they could go fast enough to go each way in 2 years, you know, a 5-year trip, 2 years each way, and 1 year at Pluto or Neptune. And I would advocate for permanent outposts to be established in those places, Pluto and Neptune, and other places out in that vicinity, and out in the throughout the whole solar system. In addition to nuclear rockets, work is actually being done, believe it or not, on warp drive. They're very far, of course, from building an actual working warp drive, but theoretical work is being done by NASA and elsewhere. There is a warp drive technology, the technology doesn't exist, but theory called the Alcubierre warp drive, which involves creating a warp bubble around a ship, and the bubble would move through space either less than the speed of light or faster than light. Gets around the cosmic speed limit because the ship itself is motionless inside the warp bubble. And a region of space can move with respect to another region of space faster than light. It's just that an object, a massive object, cannot. But in this case, it's embedded in the bubble, so it gets away with it. There are some problems with the Alcubierre warp drive, though. For one thing, it requires a huge amount of energy, and including a large amount of negative energy, something that we don't know of its existence. Not antimatter, negative energy. We have no idea if that even exists. But there is another warp drive theoretical basis that does not involve negative energy that work is being done on now. A paper appeared in the peer-reviewed journal Classical and Quantum Gravity about this, specifically work being done at the Advanced Propulsion Laboratory. This warp drive, even if it couldn't go, this warp drive could not go faster than light, but even if it could only go 10% of light speed, think of what a difference that would make for transit through the solar system. You could get to Pluto in just a little over 2 days each way at that speed. That would make travel throughout even the outer solar system possible, and maybe it will even become routine. Maybe at some point in the future people will go to vacations to Pluto. That may become possible. Maybe 200 years from now, 300 years from now, maybe sooner. Well, that's all I have to say about this right now. This is Dr. Nuke signing off.